Hi, and welcome to this short tutorial where I'll show you how to activate scripts in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Google Sheets scripts, also known as Google Apps scripts in the context of Google Sheets, are a powerful feature that allows you to automate repetitive tasks, integrate with other Google services, and build complex functions within Google Sheets itself. Essentially, these scripts are pieces of code written in JavaScript that can interact with content in Google Sheets, as well as other Google apps and external services, to enhance their functionality beyond what's possible with standard spreadsheet formulas and tools. If you're interested, you can read more about app scripts via the link below. Now, let's run through the process of activating the script functionality in your spreadsheet. Spreadsheets from the Harmony Sheets Etsy store that contain scripts will have a button for activating them on the first tab. Click on the Activate Scripts button. The authorization required pop-up will be displayed. It might take a few seconds, depending on how many resources your browser is using on other websites. Click OK. In the next window, select your Google account. Google will inform you that it is not the developer of the spreadsheet model and the scripted code, not a product created by Google. This is a standard message that appears every time you activate a new script without previously granted permissions. To proceed, click the small text that says Advanced. Click the bottom link that says Go To and the name of your spreadsheet. Finally, scroll down and click Allow. This will connect your personal copy to your Google account. Permissions have now been granted. Depending on the type of scripts being used, we sometimes have to activate the scripts after granting permissions. Therefore, I recommend clicking the button again. That's it! You can now start using the scripts in your spreadsheet.